Hello everyone. The Work from Home Request Odoo app makes remote work management seamless. Employee can submit work from home requests, get approval, track limits, and monitor requests easily. Simplify your workflow and stay organized with its efficient solution. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the user. So, where we have created a demo user. So, for this user, we need to give a time off as an admin. Now, once the administrator access will be given to the time off, let's get into the time off where in the configuration part we can see and work from home type. So I have created a work from home request and I have added an approval as a manager. So once they have approved from the manager, then they can take a request. Or else there is another option which will be an by employee manager and time off officer. So here in this we need to select which time off officer it will be. So there will be two level of approval. So if you have a manager, so there is a one level of approval. Both option is applicable. And here in this you can see how much limit that they can take, how much work from home limit can be taken for monthly wise. Okay. So after setting up everything, now let's log in as a demo user now. Now we are in the login of a demo user, so let's get into the time off. We can see an work from home request option on the top where we can see that I have already created one. So from the list view, you can see I have created one. So now let's create another one for 29 too. So here in this, I added a request and here we need to add a description. So once the description is added, let's change the date over here. So once the description is added, now let's save and close. You can see that the request will be created now for 29 too. Okay. So you can see the 29 request is also created and also the first one is also done. So from this is our calendar view and we have the list view and also we have a Kanban view here, and in this we can see a pivot view, so we can filter it out based on the employee wise work from home and also the status of that. And additionally we have some more fields can also be done using the pivot view. Now it's a graph view, so you can make use of this graph view and there are more types of views over here, we can make use of this too. Now let's get into the list view now. So here there are two records which we have created, which is in the two approved state. If needed, this person can refuse it from here. Now we are in admin login. On the top, you can see how many work from home requests that will be created and which are needs to be approved for today, on future, on and whether it is a late, you can see those late details. Now let's get into the record and you can see these are the one which we have created for 28 and 29. Now like the same way, if you get into the work from home request, where you can see the same over here in the calendar view, list view, Kanban view, and in every views. Now let's get into one of the record to upload. So once you get into the record, where you can see an approve button and also the refuse button over here. Now in this you can see in the chatter where you can see the activities needs to be approved by the Mitchell admin, which is assigned to a Mitchell admin, and the due date can also be seen here. Okay, and now let's click on the approve option over here, so you can see that the status now of this work from home request will be approved. Now in case for the second one, if I needs to be refused, you can just make use of this option to refuse. Now I'll just approve it again. So from the demo user, let's create another one. Now you can see that we are in a Mark demo user. We have already mentioned this person can take only 3 work from home requests for a month. Now let's create an additionally four requests. Let me see how it works. Now let's get into an work from home request and create a new request for this employee, and where we can add a description over here and we can add the date in this. Now let's save this one, so you can see an warning to the user like your monthly work from home request limit has been reached. You are unable to create an additional work from home request for this month. So they couldn't able to move further if they have reached the limit. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.